Hey, welcome to this episode of Our American Travel, where we are going to Dollywood, baby. In this episode, sorry, I just always wanted to say that. You know how like in American Idol they say you're going to Hollywood? Well, we went to Dollywood. We talked about our trip. We just recently got back from Pigeon Forge and Dollywood. It was a family vacation with all three of our kids, our daughter's husband, and our grandson. It's the first time we've had all of us together on a vacation since before COVID and the huge lockdown. So it was really fun. Last year we went to meet them, our family in Asheville, but we were in our travel trailer, they were in Airbnb, and it was really awkward. We didn't get a chance to spend a whole lot of time together, and it was very sad. So this time we rented an Airbnb that we could all stay in together. So we weren't in our camper, but we had a lot of fun. So most of this video is just Dollywood in the eyes of a 2-year-old, and you gotta think this is a 2-year-old who was 6 months old when the world shut down, and didn't see a whole lot for the whole first year and a half. So it's really fun to see him discover all of these really new things. He's never been to an amusement park, first rides, first meeting of a character in costume, and it was just really fun. I hope you enjoy it. And like and subscribe. Thanks.
Here we are on a little stroll to Dollywood from the parking lot. It says 5-minute walk. We're trying to turn it into 30 because they got to drag the old man along. Here we go. Say hi, Clark. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. No? Okay. All right then. Hello from the Front Porch Cafe in Dollywood. Hey, come along for our journey with our grandson. It'll be awesome. Frog? Is that ribbit? Hands. So bye-bye, Bear.
Bye-bye, Bear. A hug. Oh, very sweet, Clark.
Thank you very much. Come on, buddy.
In the back and 8 large driving wheels in the middle. After she was built, she shipped off to the Y past the Yukon Railroad in Skagway, Alaska.
She's gone away, I told myself that's where I'm gonna stay. It sure feels good to have a feel good day. Like a mouse when the cat's away.
You driving that thing? It's okay, go faster. Drive faster, Corey.
Okay, so we're leaving Dollywood. We've been here for 2 days. Yesterday we got here an hour early like they recommended. We got great parking. Our little grandson got kind of wiped out and they left and we just hung out. Today we decided to take it easy. We got here late. We had to park at this water park. And this isn't too bad. Now we're getting ready to get in line for the...
Well, go film it right here. Film it right here.
Right here? Here we go. So we're parking in the line. It's not too bad.
Honestly, go on.
Changed your mind. It's okay.
We're gonna make this fit. What are you doing?
Filming. Oops.
Yeah. Hey, thanks for watching this episode of Our American Travel. We're so excited that you came along for our visit to Dollywood and the Pigeon Forge area. We had an awesome time there, and we hope you did too as you watched this video. We would appreciate it so much if you would like and subscribe to our video and click that notification button so you'll hear about our next video, which will be coming up next week, and we'll just let you tune in to find out what it is. Again, thanks for watching.